All right. Here we're going to be looking at converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and then also working backwards. So going from improper fractions to mixed numbers. So a mixed number is a fraction that has a whole number in front of a fraction. So 2 3/4, that would be your mixed number. It mixes whole numbers and fractions. Okay, improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is larger than its denominator. So 9/4. 9 is larger than 4. Therefore, the numerator is larger than its denominator, and it would be considered an improper fraction. Okay, so converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. So it says first you multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator and make this value the new numerator. So we've got 2 7/8. We're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number, and we're going to add the numerator. Okay, we keep the denominator, that's step 2. Second, keep the denominator the same and write the improper fraction. So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. And our denominator stays the same, so 23 over 8. All right, 2 more, so same thing. We are going to multiply our denominator times our whole number plus our numerator. Our denominator stays the same. And you notice here I just switched my numerator or my denominator and whole number. That's fine. It doesn't matter which way you multiply them. You'll get the same answer. All right, 3 times 21 would be 63, plus 11 would be 74. All right, and then next one, 4 3/4. Once again, it's the denominator times the whole number plus the numerator. Keep the denominator the same. So now 4 times 4 plus 3. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. Denominator stays the same, so that is 4. And just remember, if ever there are larger numbers, you can always write down how to multiply them. So like if it was 18 and 12, remember you can do 2 times 8, which is 16, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. And then you've got 180. So then when you add those together, you just get 6, 16, and 216. So if you need to, you should be using a calculator on this. This is all multiplying just whole numbers. Okay, writing improper fractions as mixed numbers. So now we're trying to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So the first step is going to be division. So first place the numerator under the division bracket and divide by the denominator. So 11 goes under the bracket. We're dividing by 4. Okay, 4 can go into 11 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 11 minus 8 is going to leave us with 3. Okay, this right here for the second says the quotient is the whole number. So remember, quotient is what you get when you divide two numbers, and it's on top of the bracket. So this is your whole number. And then the remainder is your numerator. So here we're not going to continue to divide until we either terminate or repeat. We're just finding what is left over after the denominator goes into the numerator. That now becomes our new numerator. So our whole number is 2. Our remainder 3 is our new numerator. And then our denominator stays the same. And that's the third step. It says keep the same denominator. So 2 3/4. Okay, once again, following the same steps. Numerator is under the bracket. 3 is out in front. 3 can go into 22 7 times. Once again, that's our whole number. 7 times 3 is 21. Leaves us with a remainder of 1. This is our numerator. So we put our whole number out front, 7. Our remainder as our new numerator, and we keep our denominator. Okay, same thing for 17 over 4. 17 goes under the bracket, 4 goes out in front. 4 can go into 17 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. That gives us a remainder of 1. So once again, you got your whole number, your numerator, and then denominator stays the same. So 4 and 1/4. So there we've converted improper fractions into mixed numbers. All right, these last two, this is just to check to make sure you have it. Go ahead and solve these on your own, and then check your answer through the video. But go ahead and pause the video, turn it back on once you've solved these, and just to check to see if you've got it right. Make corrections if needed. All right, 9 times 5 plus 4. That's how we get our new numerator from a mixed number, and denominator stays the same. So 9 times 5 is 45, plus 4 is 49. Denominator stays the same. Okay, likewise on this one, numerator goes under the bracket, denominator out in front. 9 can go into 37 4 times. That gives you 36. 37 minus 36 leaves us with a remainder of 1. So this is our numerator. This is our whole number. So we just put them in place. 4 and 1, 9. And that is just converting both ways, either to mixed numbers into an improper fraction or an improper fraction to a